Hello guys. Welcome to Malumpati Spring. Ayan. Tignan nyo, tignan nyo. Ayan. Danlaga.
Kasi dito, magano, dito lang tayo.
Ganda dito guys, you know, Malumpati Spring is nice. One of the best tourist spot in Antique here in Pandan. Yes, yes.
Ano ko no? Bakit na ano?
Okay lang. Ay, kaya lang.
Yes.
Itan lang yata.
Ang ganda dito guys. Cold is very cold and we have water supply from Malumpati. It's a water district in Pandan. That's a business in Antique. Yes. Business water district is a kind of business here in Antique. If I'm right. Oh my God, ang galing ko. Parang nagtutor guys lang ako lang ano. I'm not sure. Anesthesia, that's true. Tignan mo yung tubig, oh. Diba? Parang dagat. It looks like a sea. Hi, Rin. Say hi muna. Say hi muna, baby. Yes. His name is Rin. Who's handsome? Me. Yes. Oh, mahulog ka dyan. Mahulog ka, baby. Ayun.
Sorry.
Ayun. At ang gwapo na si Diyos. Siyempre.